Hello, and thank you for tuning in again to Savor This from the team at SavorThis. I'm Archana, the founder of the food blog Ministry of Curry and the author of the Essential Indian Instant Pot Cookbook. I had so much fun making the confetti quesadillas last time with you guys on this food cast. Let's make another recipe together. Today we are making easy and refreshing mango lassi popsicles. I love using fresh mangoes for this recipe, and you want to use a nice ripe sweet variety, either the Kent mangoes or these Atulfo mangoes. So let's get these prepared. We're gonna cut about 2 to 3 cups of these sweet mangoes into small cubes and then make puree out of them. So you want to cut the 2 sides first. Go ahead and run the knife all around the skin as close as you can so we can get all of that sweet flesh out. And then I'm just gonna make vertical slits about 1/2 inch apart and then make horizontal slits just like this. Look how easy they are. They just pop out of the mango peel, and then you can just slide the rest of them down. We'll need about 2 large canned mangoes or 3 to 4 of the smaller Atulfo mangoes. I chopped up 2 large canned mangoes, and I love this variety because it's also very less fibrous, so when we make puree out of this, it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and add them to my blender. Let's blend these mangoes to a nice and smooth puree. And these look perfect. It's nice and creamy. Next thing that we are going to add to this recipe, which really makes these mango popsicles super easy and also healthy, is the Greek yogurt. It doesn't have as much water. It's nice, thick and creamy, and so it makes the popsicles really delicious and creamy also. So let's go ahead and add 1.5 cups of the Greek yogurt. And let's go ahead and add 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt to this. I really love the addition of salt that balances the sweetness perfectly in this recipe. The next ingredient we are going to add is saffron. I love the floral aromas of the saffron, and it also adds a nice color to our mango popsicles. So to begin with, I'm going to add 1/2 of these strands of the saffron to my blender and go ahead and blend this. Now, if your mangoes are sour, you can also add a few tablespoons of your choice of sweetener. You can add either sugar or you can add honey. But since my mangoes were super ripe today and it's also summer when the mangoes are in season, I'm gonna skip the sugar. Super easy. It's ready now to be put into the ice popsicle molds. Do you see the specks of red from the saffron? It's being super pretty and super delicious. What I like to do is take just 2 or 3 strands, brush them up a little bit, take a few and then spread them on the bottom. This adds a pretty pop of color, and I also love the flavor and aromas of saffron. Let's go ahead and put this mango puree in these ice pop molds. I have some extra mango and yogurt mix here, which is perfect. I'm gonna add some more mangoes, some chilled water to this, and then we have a yummy, delicious mango lassi that we can enjoy. Put the lid on and put these wooden sticks inside. So when you put the sticks in, you don't want to go all the way in. Just want to leave about 1.5 inches on top. It just makes it so much easier to remove the popsicles. Here we go. This is ready to go in the freezer for about 8 to 10 hours. And here we go. The popsicles are ready, creamy and delicious, and they pop just right out. And look at the saffron that we had put on the bottom of the molds. I wish I could pass one of these to each one of you, but since I can't, I'm gonna taste this and let you guys know how it is. So creamy and delicious and satisfying. I hope you guys will make this recipe, and one of the tips I have is, and that's also the best part of this recipe, is you can switch out mango with any fruit you like. Thank you for watching. I hope you had as much fun as I did. You can get the full recipe in the detailed link in this post below, and I hope you'll join me next time. Happy cooking!